Okay, so I'm doing tutorial of AAN, which is identifying proportional relationships by graphing. So when we did this in class, I read this little area and then we made a chart. Okay, and we needed to know what our points were for our graph so we can tell if the graph is proportional or not. So when we are talking about proportional relationships on a graph, it needs to pass through this 0, 0 here. You can't see because I can't write on this, but it's fine. So 0, 0 right there. It needs to pass through that origin. Okay, so what we're looking at is a package that contains 4 ounces of dark chocolate, also contains 5 ounces of almonds. And then we have another one, a package that contains 8 ounces of dark chocolate, also contains 10 ounces of almonds. Okay, so I need to make a relationship here. So I have a chart. Okay, my X values and my Y values. My X's are supposed to be dark chocolate. Okay, so I have dark chocolate and then I have almonds. Okay, so I need to know what my almonds are, or my dark chocolates. So I'm going to do dark chocolates 4 and 8. So I have 4 and 8. And then I'm going to look at my almonds. I have 5 and 10. Okay, from here I can create 2 sets of points for my graph. So I have, for point, I need an X and a Y value. Okay, and it's got to look like this. So with that, I have 4, 5, and I have 8, 10. Okay, so I need to plot these. So when I plot, I go over 4, right? And then I go up 5. Was that it? Yeah, over 4, up 5. Okay, so that's that. For my next one, I have over 8, up 10. And I don't know why this is not working. Okay, this one here. This one needs to go 4, 5. There. Okay, so here's my line. So I have 4, 5, and 8, 10. Does this pass through my origin? Yes, so that means these points are proportional to each other. Okay, so we hit yes, and we hit submit. All right, next one. I'm looking at my X's and Y's. I need to make points, okay? So after 5 minutes of crocheting, the scarf is 6 inches long, okay? So after 10 minutes, the scarf is 7 inches. So I need to make points from this. And I know my time needs to be X, and then my length of the scarf needs to be Y. So I have X is time, and then I have Y is length. Okay, so what I need to do is find my points. So I have 5 minutes and 10 minutes. So I'm going to write 5 and 10. Oops. And then I'm going to write 6 inches and 7 inches. Okay, now I can make points on my graph. I have 5, 6, and 10, 7. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to go back to my graph, and I'm going to plot those points. I have over 5, up 6, and then I have over 10, up 7. Okay, does this pass through my origin down here? No, it does not, so these points are not proportional, okay? I'll do one more. All right, so 1 cup of pecans to make 5 pralines. No idea what that is. 2 cups of pecans to make 10 pralines. So we have to do X for pecans and Y for pralines. Okay, so we got our graph here. We got X is pecans and Y is pralines, whatever that is. Okay, now I need to find my X's and Y's. He said that 1 cup, and then we have 2 cups. So we have 1, 2, and then we have prolines 5 and 10. Okay, so to make a point, once again, is x, y. Okay, so I have 1, 5, and then I have 2, 10. So here are my points. Now I need to go back to my graph and graph it. So I'm going to go over 1, up 5, and then I'm going to go over 2, up 10. Does this pass through my origin? Yes. So these points are proportional. All right.